Hi, this is Al from BuyNCell. The iPhone 4 and 4S tend to be the highest volume of repairs that we perform at our BuyNCell stores. Our highly experienced and certified technicians perform repairs on all issues including the screen, power button, mute switch, volume control, headphone jack flex cable, charging port, the battery, the camera, and the most popular being the water damage repair on the iPhone 4 and the 4S. All BuyNCell repairs include 3 months of in-store warranty on parts and labor. Here we have a broken screen iPhone. Let's see how easy it is for BuyNCell to make this iPhone brand new all over again. We start with taking off the back glass on the iPhone. We then take off the upper shield that is held down with a few screws. The next step is to take the battery off. The motherboard comes off now. Now comes off the sound module. The next step is to take off the charging port cable. The next step is to take off the vibrating motor. The next step is to take off the 10 screws that hold the screen to the steel bezel. The broken screen then needs to be pried off the steel bezel. I have a brand new original LCD display assembly that I will install onto the phone. We're now done with the repair. The iPhone screen has been replaced on the phone and the iPhone seems to be in working condition.